If you want to build a professional WordPress website without coding, then Elementor is the best tool you must learn. And in this video, I will show you how to install it step by step. I am using a new domain where WordPress is already installed, and from today, we will start building a complete website using Elementor from scratch. So let's start the process. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so you never miss upcoming lessons. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. I am already inside my WordPress admin panel. This is where all WordPress settings and plugins live. To install Elementor, click on plugins, then click add new. All WordPress features and functionality come from plugins, so this is the right place. Now in the search bar type Elementor. You will see two important plugins, Elementor Website Builder and Essential Add-ons for Elementor. We will install both because together they make website building much easier and more professional. Then click activate. After activating Elementor, it may ask you to create an account, add site name, upload logo. You can skip all of this for now. We will customize everything later properly. Now choose exit to dashboard. Again go to plugins, then installed plugins. Make sure essential add-ons for Elementor is activated. When essential add-on setup starts, choose basic setup and turn on all elements. That's why, because when building professional or corporate websites, any element can be useful later. Then click next. Elementor has free version and pro version. And the good news is you can build a full professional website using free version. If some features are missing, there are free alternative plugins available. So don't worry about pro right now. During setup, you will see an option to install a templates library. This gives you 2000 plus ready-made templates, which saves a lot of time. Then click finish. Now let's install a theme. Go to appearance, themes, and click add new. Search for Astra. Astra is free, fast, perfect for Elementor. Click install, then activate. After activating Astra, now refresh your main website and you will notice the design has changed. Your site is now ready for Elementor designing. Perfect. That's it. For this lesson, now Elementor is installed, essential add-ons are ready, Astra theme is active. In the next video, we will start designing real pages using Elementor step by step. So make sure you are subscribed and I will see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.